Whether you consider yourself an artist or a photographer or a writer or not, we all have creative capacity and ability. It can look like so many things. How you relate to your family, how you parent, how you plant your garden, how you fix a meal. We'll be exploring maybe what is getting in the way of, or what can we let go of, so that we can truly be our whole, full creative selves. Hopefully, some of these creative tools we'll be learning, you will be able to take them home with you and integrate them into your everyday busy lives.
I'm Erica Fareio, and I look forward to you joining me for this very special 4-day Terravi Gathering in the incredibly stunning setting of Marble Canyon, Northern Arizona.